Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be talking about chocolate mousse. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make quality chocolate mousse in under 15 minutes. Let's do this. The ingredients that you need in this recipe are 100 grams of dark chocolate, 25 grams of butter, 3 eggs separated between the yolk and the white, and 35 grams of caster sugar. First, you're going to melt together the chocolate and the butter in a bain-marie, stirring every so often so it melts evenly. This is what you want. Now mix in the egg yolks until it's smooth. If you don't like the sound of using raw eggs, just buy pasteurized, you can get them in the supermarket. Now just set to one side while I make the meringue by whipping the egg whites and gradually adding in the sugar until you form glossy stiff peaks. This is what you're looking for. If you're unsure, tip the bowl upside down. It shouldn't move an inch. That's when it's ready. Now you just want to mix in about a third of the meringue. This is just to loosen the chocolate up. For the next step is to gently fold in the rest of the meringue. The more gentle you are, the lighter the mousse will be. This is how it should look. Now all that needs to be done is filling up your serving glasses. Then cover the tops with cling film and place in the fridge overnight to set. There you have it guys, a delicious, airy, light chocolate mousse, just how it should be. If you want to see more recipes like this one, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.